We got 3, 2, 1. Hey, thank you so much, G-Man. This is your girl, Tape. I got some live BET Awards. Oh, hey. I got one in a minute. I was going to be doing it big Tuesday night. Trying to. Now you know you're doing it big. Chris Brown is in the building.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
We'll give you 2 minutes. That's all we're going to do. 2 minutes. You understand?
Awards, performances, everything.
So you're performing and you're performing
right now we're at 30 seconds.
R&B artist, that's collaboration.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to take them all home.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna be greedy this year. I'm trying to take them all home.
All right, you're trying to win everything, right? Now, Chris, what's been going on with you in the press? Do you even know anything?
Me and Neo?
Yeah, like, okay, you see, I think it's a conspiracy.
See, I don't even be looking. What happened? I need to know.
Okay, I heard the conspiracy that, I guess, I don't know if you were talking about that you sold, like, 2 million albums or something like that.
Yeah.
And then, I guess, allegedly, like, Neo, I don't know if they thought that you was taking a shot at Neo, and Neo was like, yeah, well, I sold, like, I might have sold a million, but I got a million more in the bank. Like, okay, that didn't seem like y'all was...
Oh, nah, we homies. Like, me and Neo, like, we talk. Like, it ain't, I was dang. I ain't never heard that. That's new.
It was new to me, too, because I was like, they was telling me, I was like, I missed this. Like, you say I'm on top of everything.
Oh, no, that's the homie. Neo, nah, and I'm not an arrogant guy, so I
didn't think so.
I don't make statements like that. That's beneath, like, my character. You know what I'm saying? And I wouldn't make it toward my fellow homie. Like, that's like he started out when I started out, so I wouldn't disrespect him like that.
Yeah, it just seemed like something wasn't right there. It didn't seem like a lot of story making up going on. But you know what? A picture is worth 1,000 words.
Always.
It is. KFC. I said, damn.
Yeah, I was hungry. Somebody had some chicken on their lips. I was like. Yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Our relationship, we were friends. We were friends in the beginning, so now it's starting to be bigger and expanding a lot more. So we having fun.
You know, the grown women, you was thinking, you was acting like we had a chance, but you know what? We like the young.
Nah, you know what I'm saying? I ain't getting married no time soon, so y'all ain't got nothing to worry about. You know what I'm saying? Y'all still got this chance, so make sure y'all always holler at me.
Oh, Lord, Chris, you know we love talking to you. I wish you the best on all of your nominations. And I can't wait for the performance, because I was like, Chris Brown is the truth. When you flipped off the stage, onto the little carousel thing, went up singing Yo in the girl's face. I said, now, y'all don't respect that brother.
Oh, thank you.
If y'all don't respect him, y'all are true.
I appreciate that.
And not a problem, y'all. Chris Brown in the building.
Thank you.
No problem, y'all. Sunday 7 out of 5. You can ask me.
Always great to see you, baby.
Always good to see you, too. Let's grab a picture.
All right.
A lot of times security be rushing, but it's only security. He don't know it. I'm just talking.
Yes, teacher.
These are the people that almost didn't bring him to us. I mean, I know he don't know it sometimes, but it's the people like his record reps right there. No, I'm just